Okay, well, the last of some of my cuts put down on the tin nitrate at the moment, but in another 5 days or so this is going to be done. Be more than happy to show you the end result. I think it's going to look pretty good, but I'm going to have to go restock, so time to go prospecting. Okay, I've gotten down to a pretty good spot down the creek here. It's been a lot of rain activity. It's actually raining a bit right now lately, so it's not too bad to take a look through the creek. It actually clears it up. Helps you spot some things out, but I'm only going to make this a quick trip today, so hopefully I can potentially get a couple of Thundereggs is what I'm looking for, just so I can keep my vibrating lap machine running. But hey, if I find any decent type of other potential rock, that could be great. Let's take a look now. See, that's a nice beautiful bit of moss agate green jasper, so that one I think is going to be pretty cool to cut open. Whether I turn it into cabochon, otherwise cutting in half and an egg, depends. But that's a great sign. As I usually state, all these little bits, even over here, look at that. Another beautiful, just clear piece of chalcedony. It's kind of turtleback, is what I call it. Turtleback chalcedony. I just call it that with these volcanic lumps. So I think I'll head down this way a bit, and this looks like a good sign. I'll grab a couple of eggs. Okay guys, got these rocks cut open and looking forward to showing you what I found. This rock was number one. I think I remember I was saying, wasn't exactly sure what I'd think I'd find, but wasn't too hopeful at the bottom. Took a look at the top, had great chalcedony, a few agate lines with these bubbles, so in the end I was quite right. A lot of rhyolite down the bottom, stuff's still pretty nice. Kind of got into some greeny jasper in the middle, some nice agate. So all in all, could make a couple of nice little slabs. Still a nice little showpiece. Not too bad. Okay, Now we've got the next one. This one here. Now, like I said again, this one was all going on bubbles. Just bubble formation on the rock. Agate lines down the bottom. You know, that was all I could see. I was going to be pretty hopeful in the end. Got some great pink sage rhyolite. So that is quite nice. And it has a little geo down the bottom. A bit hard to see. Probably could clean it out. But a bit of a geo down the bottom with chalcedony. So I didn't quite make it to that crystal formation. But this is still nice. Like, that's actually a bit of jasper there. So I could still slab that up. Turn it into some cabochons or even some palm stones. Be nice. So otherwise, I still think it's pretty nice as is. Still clarified crystal. And the last one, just here. Now I remember spotting out the potential green agate, which I thought was starting to look a bit crystalline. So with that, I thought good chance of green jasper. Didn't have any pockets of chalcedony on the outside. But hey, open it up and look what you get. Great geo in the middle. It's fantastic. Awesome. Actually, like, awesome pocket of chalcedony in the middle. So I mean, coming from no crystal on the outside, for a nice guess, the inside, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'd say the winning one's this one out of 3, and I've got to go back and go prospecting, fossicking again. But all in all, it wasn't a waste of a day for a quick trip. I think it's going to get a good shine on my machine.